As a freelancer, my biggest headache was always finding leads. Every morning I'd open Reddit and other platforms to look for leads because that's where you find people who actually want your service. But it was eating up so much time, 1 to 2 hours of scrolling every single day. So I was always looking for a way to automate this. And recently I found a tool called Outseek AI. It scans the internet 24/7, Reddit, X, Instagram, Facebook and all to find hot leads for you, updating every single minute. Here you can see it's found a new lead for my video editing service along with why it matches my intent. If I want to reach out, I just click Act Now and it gives me an AI generated personalized outreach message. I can copy it, go straight to the post and DM directly. This post is barely an hour old, so the sooner you reach out, the higher your chances of closing that client. This way you can outreach to 100 prospects every month and close way more clients. In this video, I'm going to show you the full setup process. Let's get started. First, go to outseekai.com and sign up for a free account. Let me sign in here. Perfect. The first step is giving some information about my business or service. If you are running a company or an agency, you can add your website link here and it will analyze the site to figure out what you do. If you don't have a website, say you're a freelancer working solo, you can just skip this part. Next, I enter my business name. If you're an individual, you can just put your name, or if you run a company, you can give that. Then I set my target market, basically who I'm providing my service to. Since I'm doing video editing, I'll set this as creators. Next is the industry. That means which industry we are working in. I'll set mine as social media. Here we have to give a quick summary of what my service actually is. So here I'll say I'm providing video editing services to businesses and creators. Whatever your service is, web development, AI automation, anything, just describe it here. This helps the AI find leads that actually match your business. Next, target audience, B2B or B2C. That means you are providing services to business or directly to customers. Since my video editing service works for both businesses and individual creators, I'll go with both. There's also a field for revenue. This will help the AI match leads to your business scale. I'll leave that empty for now. If you have direct competitors, you can add their name and website here too. This is actually really smart. It'll find unhappy customers of your competitors. So if someone posts a complaint about a competitor on Reddit or anywhere else, Outseek will catch that lead for you too and you can pitch your service to them. I'll leave this empty and click continue. Now it's time to create a workspace. I'll give it a name. By default, it's set to Rajiv's workspace. Then I choose the workspace language. I'll set it to English and the keyword language also English. Now here's the important part, choosing your work goal. This is basically what you want the workspace to focus on. The first one, potential customers and intent, which finds high intent leads actively looking to buy your services. Then competitor tracking, which catches unhappy customers of competitors posting online. Next, market and content insights, shows what's trending in your industry. Then reputation and brand help. This is for big brands to track if customers are posting issues about the brand so we can respond and protect our reputation. And another one is awareness and amplification. So here our main goal is finding potential customers. So I'll select that and click continue. Now the AI is generating strategic keywords. These are what the system will use to track and find leads for us. Since I mentioned I run a video editing service, it's already added keywords like video editing services for creators, professional YouTube video editor and a few more. You can add your own keywords too. Let's add a few. Real editor, YouTube video editor, then freelance video editor. Here only 15 keywords are allowed because it's now in free plan. If any keyword doesn't feel relevant, you can remove it anytime. Once your keywords are set, scroll down and choose which platforms you want to monitor. Reddit, X, Blue Sky, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I'll enable all of them, then click Launch Outseek. And that's it. Our setup is done. From here, you can see how many posts Outseek has monitored so far. Over 1 million, which is honestly crazy. I also have another account I've been running for a few weeks, so let me show you that one. This one has already found 61 leads for me. To check your leads, go to the social leads section. And from here, you can see all your leads one by one. Here's a fresh one, someone looking for an entry-level video editor for long-term work with basic knowledge of Blender and 3D animation. And here's an AI insight which checks why this lead is relevant for you and shows this as high priority. So if you would like to pitch, just click Act Now and it generates a reply mentioning my name and experience with Blender. You can edit it if you want. Then tap on Copy and Reply. This will redirect us to the original post and it's Reddit, so we can DM them directly. Since it's only a day old, there's still a good chance of landing it. Here's the next lead. Someone posted, "I'm doing well on YouTube and thought it's time to hire a video editor," with a link to their channel. Posted just 1 hour ago. And that's honestly what I love about this platform. It keeps surfacing fresh leads. So let's click Act Now and it drafts a reply mentioning I checked out their channel, can match their style and can handle weekly videos and calls. Simply tap Copy and Reply straight from here and DM them directly. Another one just came in. "I need a video editor to collaborate with my agency. DM me for details," posted 4 hours ago. Same process. Click Act Now, Copy and Reply and reach out. If a lead isn't done yet, but you're not ready to act, you can mark it later and it moves to your lead box for follow-up. If it's not relevant at all, just click Ignore. The more you use it, ignoring irrelevant leads, acting on good ones, the smarter the AI gets at understanding exactly which leads suit you. Over time, it starts showing you more accurate, higher quality leads based on your behavior. Most of my leads came from Reddit, but it's not limited to that. Facebook, Instagram, X, Blue Sky, all of them are included. You can manage your keywords anytime from the keywords section. You can also edit your business profile anytime from here. And if you're running a team or agency, you can invite other members to the workspace by email so they can view and act on leads too. And from the settings, you can turn platforms on or off. Though I'd recommend keeping all of them on since you never know where your next good lead will come from. Now let's talk about pricing. There's a free plan with 50 qualified leads per month. Then a $49 per month plan with 400 qualified leads and higher plans at $299 and $899 per month. Just to put that in perspective, say you took the $49 plan and reached out to 250 of them and closed just 10 clients at $100 each. That's already $1,000, a 20 times return. And that's not only for revenue. Doing this manually on Reddit and other social platforms would take hours every day. With Outseek, the entire process becomes much faster and easier, which saves a lot of time. If you ever need more leads, you can also buy booster credits. For example, 200 extra leads for around $30. Honestly, as a freelancer, I think this is a solid platform. I'll drop the link in the description. Go check it out and let me know how it works for you. So that's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.